Hey guys, Ben here with another micro lesson for you. So today we're going to be learning Riptide by Vance. It's a 3-chord song, so if you're new to chords or if you're looking for just a relatively hassle-free song to pick up and play, it's a great choice to learn. So the 3 chords in the song are A minor, G major and C major. Now you may have noticed that I played G like this, which is kind of the less common way of playing it. It's not the way I'd normally teach it. I normally teach it this way, like that. But it kind of makes sense to use this version in the song because it's easier to get to from A minor and it's then easier to get to C afterwards. So you might just want to take a few minutes to get comfortable with this way of G. It's quite weird. Pinky, middle and third finger rather than third, first and second finger. Okay, so A minor, G major, C major. The strumming pattern with our right hand is down, down, up, down, up. Okay, down, down, up, down, up. Now we play it once through on A minor, down, down, up, down, up. Change to G, down, down, up, down, up. And then we go to C, and we play the strumming pattern through twice on the C chord. So down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so A minor, down, down, up, down, up. Change, down, down, up, down, up. And then C, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. And so even I almost went to the classic G then. It takes a little bit to get used to going to the new one. Also, the song is in a really weird tuning. It's kind of tuned in between standard tuning and putting a capo on the first fret. So either one kind of won't work. So I think it's closer to sort of capo on the first fret. So that'll give you a more true. If you want to play along to the track, this will sound closer, but it still doesn't sound too great. So yeah, kind of either one works really. So good luck and see you next time.